guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaylee here, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the fam. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also guys, from what you guys can read from the title, I am doing a giveaway today, so I'm like so excited. But today I created this look. It's a very dramatic, interesting look, I would say. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about it, but I kind of like it. So it's kind of like a, do I like it, do I not? You guys let me know. If you don't like it, it's fine, let me know below, but make sure you do it sweetly, nicely, with some love in it. Anyways guys, if you're interested in just seeing how I created this look, and just if you want to know how to enter for the James Charles palette giveaway, make sure you watch this video. I hope you guys like it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. And lately my skin has like not been at its best, so I always make sure to moisturize and then to apply this. So to do my eyebrows, I'm just going to be using my Super Beat Up BH Cosmetics palette, which I need a new palette like ASAP. And then I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush. This is in the number 12, and I'm just going to pop up these eyebrows and I'll be right back. So guys, eyebrows are done, and I primed my eyes using a concealer. I have no idea what this is, but I'll figure it. It's a Maybelline concealer, and it's in the shade Light. And the two palettes that I'm mainly going to be using for this look is the James Charles palette, which mine's a little dirty, but I love this palette. And then my Jaclyn Hill palette. These are literally like my two favorite palettes right now, and they're both by Morphe, so I'm like loving Morphe products right now. So to begin the look, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm just going to be using that as my transition color, just to give the look a bit of depth. Next, taking a pencil brush, I'm just going to be taking the light this Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just going to be making sure everything blends in well. The next color I'm going to be taking is the green beside it, and this one's just like a more of like a darker green, I guess. And then once again, just making sure everything's blended out. So I've decided I want to go for like more of that like Gucci look. So I'm gonna be taking like this red right here, and at this point I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, because all the colors I really need are in this palette. Like, no offense against the Jaclyn Hill palette, it's just for the look I'm going for. All the looks are like here, but I'm just gonna clean this brush, and I'm just gonna use the pencil brush again, and I'm just gonna focus it on the outer V of the eye. So to do my cut crease, I'm just going to be using my concealer and a flat concealer brush. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint foundation, and this is in the shade Beige 60 or Natural Beige 60. And I really love like the wand on this. It's really big, kind of like a concealer wand. So I literally couldn't take any more wearing pink in this video with this look, so I had to change my shirt real quick.
Sobresale de mi traje, no traje panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo no sé lo que tú crees que tú no sabes. Dice que no quiere, pero se quiere conmigo el equipaje. Bailame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame.
To set my under eyes, I'm just going to be using my Airspun loose powder. And I'm just going to be taking that Morphe sponge I've been using and just set my under eyes. And I'm literally watching Grey's Anatomy as I'm filming this. So that's what you hear in the background, besides my annoying fan. Wait. To contour, I'm just going to be taking my Beat Up Contour Kit by Anastasia. You can't even see anything on this. If you're an OG fam and you've been watching me for a while, you know that this is probably like the only contour kit I've ever used. But I'm just going to be taking this shade right here mixed with the shade up here. As you can tell, the two that I use the most. And I'm just going to contour. After contouring my nose, I'm just going to be taking a Real Technique buffing brush and I'm just going to remove all that setting powder under my eyes. Then taking this setting powder, I'm just going to be defining my contour. To highlight, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Moonchild kit and I'm just going to be taking the pink heart one and I'm going to mix it a little bit with the star. So for the lips, I will be taking a ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip, and this is like a dark red type color, or like, I don't know how to explain it. So guys, this is the look, but as you can read from the title, it is not the end of this video. So as you guys could read from the video, and probably some of you guys skipped all the way to the end, which is okay, I guess. I'm going to be doing a James Charles palette giveaway. Excuse mine, I literally just got it and I already have it dirty, but I'm going to be giving away one of these palettes to one of you lucky winners. And I just think everyone needs this palette. Like, this palette, honestly, I love the colors in it. Some are harder to work with, but you can come up with amazing looks. This one is pretty basic. I mean, I kind of wanted to try the greens, the yellows together, the reds, you know, kind of have that Gucci vibe with that snake vibe. I have no idea. But y'all need this palette, so all you gotta do is go below and click the link and just follow the steps. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and just make sure you comment below. Let me know what's your what's your New Year's resolution. But happy New Year's, guys. I hope you guys have amazing rest of the year. Literally, this is our year 2019, so let's do big things. Bye.